Hey guys, you can disable the blinking cursor in Visual Studio Code, but you can also set it to different blinking modes as well. So the first thing you want to do is go to File, Preferences, and Settings, and here start typing blink. I'm going to split the view so we can watch this concurrently. So now here in the blink dropdown, let's go ahead and try to change this to smooth and see how that affects the cursor. As you can see, it's still blinking, but there's this smooth animation playing. There's also phase, which is similar to the previous one, except the cursor stays on a little longer and it lights up. Then you can also choose expand. And expand is this animation that plays vertically. And finally, if you want to completely disable cursor blinking in VSCode, you can choose solid. Okay, so in this mode, the cursor is just a solid block and it's not blinking. And in some cases, you might actually prefer a solid cursor.